John here with FASS Fuel Systems. We would like to introduce you to a new product, which is our Quick Connect plugs, available in 5/16, 3/8, and half-inch configurations. Now, as most of you know, after a FASS installation, there's usually either a factory supply line or a factory return line that is no longer used. If you want to prevent debris and dirt from entering the fuel line or residual fuel from leaking out, just simply install one of our Quick Connect plugs. Now, to order your Quick Connect plugs or to find a FASS dealer near you, log on to fassride.com.